arting. Hey guys, you're in arting, and today we are making bird kites. We are going to be celebrating Peace Day in September 21st, so we're going to be making white doves to celebrate that day. You're going to need a paper, a Sharpie, scissors, something to make a hole with, a stapler, a little piece of paper of some kind of color, and a string. The first thing that you're going to do is, out of your color paper, you're going to make a beak and some feathers. So I'm going to make a triangle on one of the corners, and I'm going to make some leaf shapes to make some feathers on my color paper, and I'm going to cut this out. So now I have a triangle and 3 little feathers. With my white paper, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this paper in half like a hamburger, and I'm going to put the beak inside so that it has a straight line and a triangle coming up. And we are also going to place the feathers on the back. Now that you have your project like this, we're going to staple everything in place. So you can fix your feathers, staple those in place, and I'm going to do the same thing with the beak on the front. So now we're here. You're going to measure about 3 or 4 fingers from the beginning of the bird to the back, and you're going to fold the corners coming down like this. I have about 3 fingers here. And here, I'm going to staple everything together. So now we are here with my Sharpie. I'm going to give my bird an eye, maybe some eyelashes. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. To finish it off, we are going to make a little hole right next to the staple. And I'm going to put some string in there. I'm making the string go through, and I'm going to make 2 knots. 1, 2, and make it very secure. And now we are ready to fly this kite. You also have a choice of decorating your piece dove, like some of my students decided to do, and we all had a lot of fun flying these toys.